All right, hello friends and happy Saturday. I'm Courtney Klein with the Kai's Company here in beautiful sunny South Florida. Today I actually happen to be in Broward County. I'm in Lighthouse Point. I have a beautiful new townhouse listing that I'm going to take you on a tour of today. This is at 4117 Northeast 21st Terrace in Lighthouse Point. So you turn, it's east of Federal. Turn east off of Federal and head towards these beautiful multi-million-dollar waterfront homes, and just tucked right in between there is this little quiet section of townhomes. It's Lighthouse, it's Palms of Lighthouse Point is the subdivision name. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse. There's a half bath downstairs. There's the stairs, and then upstairs there's actually 2 primary bedrooms. Ensuite bedroom, so each one has its own bathroom, which is super cute. So really a lot of options for someone who would want to make this their home. So I am going to actually start at the front and then kind of walk you around. I'll turn the camera around and give you a tour, tell you a little bit about some of the features, and I hope that you think it's interesting. If you are interested in this home, or if you know somebody who might be looking to move to the area, please let me know, send me a message. I would love to make this happen for you. It's such a great area. It's a hidden gem, so I think you're gonna like it. So let me go ahead and spin around for a second. The sellers have made this super cute. And then I'm going to flip the camera and take you on a tour. So here we go, let's go to the front. I'm gonna take you outside and we'll walk through the front door just like it's you walking into your home for the first time. All right. Okay, so here's your little front entrance. You have 2 dedicated parking spots for you, and then it's not a long walk over here. There's your balcony, and here's your front door. Walking into the foyer, we have a nice little spot here that's super cute, welcomes people to the home. And here's your entranceway, and that goes to the kitchen. So they've put in waterproof luxury vinyl flooring. It looks like wood planks, very nice and sturdy, gonna stand up to all the things you can throw at it. Let's start with the kitchen. We're gonna come right in here. We have nicely renovated kitchen appearances here. These cabinets are pretty new, have that real modern wood look. And again, that wood look flooring has been extended into the kitchen. We have some stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool brand. Black countertops, a nice view through the window at the sink. Lots of nice cabinet space, refrigerator, and that goes into your living area. Okay, and there's actually a deep freeze that comes with the house. That's what this white appliance is. Okay. A nice white subway tile backsplash. Let's go into the living and dining area. They've got it looking super chic. They have a nice little area where you can have your coffee, have your breakfast, have your evening cocktails. It's all open. Flip that around, and that goes to the kitchen. Hello. Okay, so let's take a look at the living area. There's your half bath. Nice and wide living space. And that leads to an enclosed private patio. So this room is really spacious. We have a lot of room to kind of make it your own. Let's go out back. The air conditioner is on, so it might be a little loud, but I want to show you guys because it's so tropical and cute back here. It's nice to have your own private space. Nice little private enclosure, nice patio. We have impact sliding doors, impact glass, protect you from hurricane intrusions. The AC unit is from 2019. All right, back into the AC. It is a hot Florida day today. So like I mentioned, I don't know if you could hear me out there, but these sliders are impact glass. And in fact, most of the windows in the home are impact glass. So that's just one less thing you have to worry about during hurricane season like it is right now. Let's show you the half bath. Oh, they have a lot of round mirrors, very cute. So just simple, modern little space for your guests. All right, let's go upstairs. Back into our hallway. Nice and inviting. And we're gonna go up the stairs, which have also been redone with that luxury vinyl flooring. Looks just like wood, feels like wood. It's really nice. There's one primary bedroom. We'll look at that second. First, we're gonna look at, let's see, we have light up here. Let's look at this bedroom first. Okay. So this is the first primary bedroom. We have a nice closet there. They've got it looking super cute. It's light and bright, and as you can see, there's a balcony out here. So if you chose this as your room, we're facing east. You'll wake up with the sun every day, unless that's not your thing and you just want to put on blackout curtains and sleep until noon, you could do that too. But if you're a morning person, this room is perfect for you. So there is its ensuite bathroom. This is a full bathroom. So sink and all of that. And then they have a tub shower combo here. All right. Nice big mirror. All right, stepping back. Let's show you the rest of this room. So you can get a real sense of the space. And then we're gonna go out onto the balcony. Take in the palm trees, take in the view, get your sun. Downstairs is the laundry room. It's just outside of your front door. This is community laundry here. Now it is possible that you could put a washer and dryer in here. You would just need to get HOA permission. Most of the units do not have it in this community, but there actually is one that sold recently that had it. So we know it can be done. You just have to ask permission. And this HOA is really helpful and easy to work with. So that's nice. All right, coming into the second primary bedroom. This one's a little bit larger, so I'd say it's like the main primary. This one is carpeted. It's the only room with carpet. And it has its own bathroom as well. Walk you around, lots of nice closet space. And this one is on the western side of the house, so, you know, have that afternoon, evening sun coming through. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick look into this other primary bathroom. So this bedroom is bigger, but the bathroom is a little bit smaller. So, you know, you can take your pick. This one has matching cabinetry like the kitchen downstairs. So it's cute, it's small, but there it is. Hello, all right. Out of this primary bedroom, there's a little hall utility closet, and that's where your water heater is. And let's go back out on the balcony. I've shown you the whole place. So I think that's a good place to end. Get some nice sun on our faces. I'll turn it around and tell you just a little bit more about this beautiful community. All right, hey guys. So thank you for me. Again, we are in Lighthouse Point, which is in Broward County. We are just north of Fort Lauderdale. So we're actually very close to the Fort Lauderdale airport. So very convenient to Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and all the things that are going on. We're really close to Deerfield Beach. So actually we're very close to the Intracoastal, and you have two beach options here. So you can head just a little bit north and go to Deerfield Beach, catch the bridge there, or go just a little bit for Wi-Fi. Okay, we had to come inside to reconnect to the Wi-Fi, so let's do that. Somehow I turned the light off in here. Okay, so Pompano Beach or Deerfield Beach, you have options. Okay, there we go. And we are in an area where there's a ton of shopping, like every big restaurant, plus all the little boutique restaurants, they're right down the street. There's a ton of shopping. Again, the big stores, and then the cool, like local funky stores are right down the street as well. There's all kinds of golf courses and parks, dog parks. We're really kind of in the middle of everything, yet we're east of Federal, so we are right by the waterfront. We're right by the beaches. Beach access is very close. A little bit about Palms at Lighthouse Point, this community. The monthly maintenance fee is very low. It's $250 a month, and that covers like the exterior maintenance, and there is a community pool, which is nice, and then there's that community laundry like I showed you. So very reasonably priced, you know, makes the living affordable. This unit is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and let's see, we are offering it at $350,000. So that's actually the lowest priced unit that you will find in Lighthouse Point. If you want to live in this area, this is the way to get in. If you are a first-time home buyer or an FHA buyer, this community welcomes you. They make it easy for you. You can have, you know, a smaller down payment and still get into the area. So if you are interested in being close to some waterfront multi-million-dollar properties at an affordable price point, this is your home. So again, I'm Courtney Klein with the Kai's Company. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a beautiful Saturday. Take care.